Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and good day, sir. My name is Zalwa Putri Rafifah. My name is 240705150 and I'm from class A24. As a request to make a video from one of the topics that you have given us, I chose phonology, pronunciation of English. I will be explaining phonology, pronunciation of English according to this book. The definition of phonology, according to George Yule. Phonology is essentially the description of the systems and patterns of speech sounds in a language. According to Adrain Akwajan, phonology is the subfield of linguistics that studies the structure and systematic patterning of sounds in human language. According to Bloomfield, phonology is the organization of sounds patterns. Phonology is the study of formal organization language in order to fulfill the communicative functions. Language is their material, the vocal noises, interrecurrent bits, and pieces arranged in patterns. In this video, I'm going to answer the subject matter of phonology. What is sound? How and where is it produced from? How is it received by the ears? How and why is one sound different from the others? First, we'll discuss about the differences between phonetics and phonology. The difference between phonetics and phonology is that phonetics is generally concerned with speech sounds as such without reference to their function in a particular language, descriptive and also classificatory. Phonology is particularity, having a particular language or languages in view, and functional, concerned with working or functioning of speech in a language or languages. Whereas phonetics is the science of speech sounds, their production, transmission, and reception, and the science to represent them in general, with no particular reference to anyone. While phonology is the study of vocal sounds and sound changes, phonemes, and their variants in a particular language. Phonetics is one and the same for all the languages of the world, but the phonology of one language will differ from the phonology of others. Now we're going to talk about English vowels. Vowels are continuous sounds. What distinguishes one sound from the other is the shape of the oral cavity changing to form resonance chamber. There are three major criteria for the articulatory description of vowels are identified. First, tongue height. Second, tongue advancement. And third, lip rounding. In English, we can recognize 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs or vowel glides. First, we'll talk about the 12 pure vowels. First, front vowels. There are 4 pure front vowels in English which can be found in seat, sit, sat, and sat. Each vowel is pronounced with the tongue positioned towards the front of the mouth. Second, back vowels. There are 5 back vowels in English which can be found in food, book, go, caught, and father. These vowels are produced with tongue positioned towards the back of the mouth. Third, central vowels. There are 3 central vowels in English which can be found in done, her, church. The vowels are produced with the tongue positioned in the center of the mouth. Fourth, diphthongs is consisting of 2 vowels. These sequences of vowels are composed of 2 vocalic elements, the first vowel being called the first element and the second vowel the second element. The first element usually longer and carries the stress. There are 8 diphthongs in English which can be found in ate, sight, oyster, go, how, serious, cure, and there. And now let's move on to English consonants. English consonants is a speech sound produced when the airflow is obstructed in some way by the tongue, teeth, lips, or vocal cords. There are 24 consonant sounds in English. First, plosives or stops. Complete blockage of airflow followed by a sudden release. Second, fricatives. Airflow is partially obstructed, creating a friction. Third, affricates. A combination of a stop and a fricative. Fourth, nasals. Air escapes through the nose due to lowered soft palate. Sixth, approximants. The passage of the air is constricted by the active articulators in the oral cavity. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Zalwa Putri Rafifah from class A24. Have a good day.